Hi, today we're going to learn about Cami. Cami is a way to open a document so you can write on it. So whenever you get a document, you'll have a choice, open with. How do we want to open? We want to choose the circle K, annotate with Cami. Annotate is another word for write on. So this allows us to write on a worksheet as if we have paper and pencil. Now, when Cami opens, you're going to see lots of different options on this side. Today, we're going to focus on the text box, the drawing tool, and the eraser. I'll also show you how to turn in your assignments. So right away, I see text box. I know when I do something, I need to write my name. So I'm going to choose my text box. I have a choice of different colors. I'm going to write in black. So I'm going to bring my cursor right up here. When I use the text box, I type my answers. So I just typed my name, but it's not perfect. Did you notice that? It's kind of below the line. Now I'm going to move my cursor around. And do you see when I get those 4 arrows pointing in all different directions? That means I can move my text box and actually put it on the line. There, my name's on the line. Now, I want to answer a question. I have a word bank here. Write the spelling words that contain each short vowel sound below. Short A, ah. I'm looking for words that have an ah sound, and I see camp. Well, I'm on text box. I'm going to put my cursor here, click, and there I go. I'm going to type camp on my keyboard. Again, it's not perfect. I'm going to look for those 4 arrows. I'm going to move it up, put it on the line. Done. Now, maybe when you're doing this, you would rather write. So you're going to choose, instead of the text box, you're going to choose the drawing tool. When you choose the drawing tool, you'll need to have a stylus. So the drawing tool allows you to write on your computer with your stylus. So here are choices when we write with our stylus. Let's see what we have. This is a stroke. We can make them thicker. I chose 4. And then we have colors. These are all the colors we can choose to write in. I'm going to write in this fuchsia color. So when I write, it'll be fuchsia. So now I'm going to grab my stylus and I'm going to look for another short A word, and I see rack. I'm going to write right on here. Whoa, it's kind of hard because it's really little. Let's see if I can get it to work. It's really little. So I did my best. So I'm going to show you a trick. It's really hard to write when it's that little. So if you look up here, do you see the 100%? To the left of the 100%, you have a zoom out and a zoom in. If I hit the zoom in, the plus button, it's going to make my worksheet a little bit bigger, a little bit easier to work with. Okay, so I just hit it once and went up to 110%. I'll hit it again. Ooh, 130. That's really big, isn't it? Choose what you like, but remember, if you hit the plus, it makes your worksheet bigger. If I want to go back, I want to zoom out, I hit the minus. Now I'm back to 100%, which is too little for me, so I'm going to choose to zoom in at 110%. I like that. And I'm going to show you the eraser now. So we've looked at the text box. That's when we use our keypad. And now we've done the drawing tool. That's when we use our stylus and we can write. Now I want to show you the eraser. So I think this is messy. So I just clicked on the eraser and I have an eraser. Oh, but look, I erased both items. Oh, well, that's okay. I'm going to go back. Now I want to draw again because that's faster for me. I'm going to draw. So now I have my stylus and I know right here I had written stamp. And right here, I believe I had written rack. So I like the drawing tool. It's easier for me and it's faster. So today we learned about the text box and how to move it. Remember, you wait for those 4 arrows, and the drawing tool and the eraser. When it's time to turn in, you'll see a little turn in button up here. I don't have it, but you'll have a turn in button up in this area.